Good afternoon, everybody. I almost said morning. Clearly, I need more coffee. Good afternoon, everybody. This is Ashley Ryder-Galdone from Ryder-Gal Marketing Services, and we're back with Content Marketing Matters, where I come on once a week for about 5 or 10 minutes, and we talk about how to make content marketing more accessible and easier for small businesses. So today is apparently a special day for me, and I've forgotten why. I woke up this morning and my husband handed me a book. Is anyone else in this club? I've been thinking about joining the 5 a.m. club for a while. So I'm going to give this book a read, and maybe you'll see me online a little earlier. He also handed me my card. So in addition to coffee, I also love wine. And the question is, see, it's all sparkly. There we go. Does red wine or white wine go best with birthday cake? So let me know in the comments. Do you prefer red wine or white wine? White wine. Clearly, I can't talk today. But anyways, let me know in the comments if you're watching this on the replay or if you're watching this live, what kind of wine you like with your cake. Hopefully I'll get some birthday cake later. So today, for those who don't know me, I am Ashley Ryder-Galdone. I am a copywriter and online marketer, and I've been doing this for 14 years. I started my business, Ryder-Gal Marketing Services, just over a year ago when I decided not to go back to work after having my second child. So today in my Facebook Lives, or this month in the Facebook Lives, we're talking about blogs. And today I want to talk about how to use holidays in your blogs and in your online marketing. First, I want to share a story about something that happened to me. Shortly after I had my second child, I decided that I was going to be a stay-at-home mom and I was going to stay at home all day with the kids, but I also still wanted to make money. So I decided that I was going to start a mommy blog. And eventually I wanted to monetize it so that it would bring in some money for my family. I wrote an article about the Instant Pot. If you love the Instant Pot, let me know your favorite recipes because I'm always looking for more. So I wrote an article about the Instant Pot. This was in early November. In late November, as some of you online shoppers may be familiar with, is Black Friday, a big holiday here in Canada and in the US where everything goes on sale. Well, that year, the Instant Pots were on sale. And everybody in all of my online groups were asking, oh, should I get the Instant Pot? Is it good? What do you guys think? So what I started doing that day is I started replying to everybody in my groups with a link to my blog post about the Instant Pot. Because I did that, I probably tripled the number of people that were visiting my site, brand new people who were reading my blog post, which was exciting. Yes, Cora, you have to send me some of your Instant Pot recipes. I'm sure you've got some great ones too. I make Greek yogurt in mine. It's amazing. But let's get back on track. We're not here to talk about Instant Pots and yogurts. We're talking about how to use holidays in your marketing. So you'll see in my story how I used the holiday of Black Friday to bring more visitors to my blog. And you can do a similar thing with other holidays. So all you need to do is research the holidays that relate to your industry or your niche. For example, I've got a friend who's a travel agent. And for travel agents, there's tons of holidays that you can choose from. There is National Travel and Tourism Week in the US in the early May, and National Shop for Travel Day was actually last Tuesday. I've got some other colleagues that are professional speakers and do training in professional speaking. It is Professional Speakers Day on August 7th. And International Women's Day, I've got a lot of colleagues that are women entrepreneurs. International Women's Day is in early March, and I myself am planning some launches for that day, which I'll share a bit about later. So go through monthly, quarterly, yearly, pick out all those fun holidays or even the more traditional holidays that fit your business and write them down. And then what you do is you plan blog posts around those topics. So you notice how with my Instant Pot one, that is was a product that was obviously on sale during Black Friday. So it made sense to write about it. Then publish your blog post the day of the holiday or a few days earlier. It doesn't really matter. And then watch on social media as people are talking about that topic. And whenever it's appropriate, send them your link. So I had moms saying, should I buy the Instant Pot? Is it worth the money? And I'd say, yes, it's worth the money. Check out what I've done with my Instant Pot. And I put my link there. Make it a public link if you can. That way you get more eyes on that blog post. Look at what hashtags are being used for that holiday as well, and use that in any of your social media posts to get more reach. And I was looking at what special holidays are today, and did you know that today is Ditch Your New Year's Resolutions Day? Well, I guess you have to make New Year's resolutions to ditch them, so I think I'm safe. But for example, if you're a coach like Cora is, this would be a great holiday that you could capitalize on. You could write a blog post about how to revive your New Year's resolutions, or how to stick to your goals in your business and your life, whatever that may be. And use hashtags New Year's, Ditch New Year's Resolutions Day, and get some traffic to your site or to your social media sites, if that's what you'd like to do. So I will put some links to some of these sites that you can find all these fun holidays in the description. One of them is timeanddate.com, and one of them is holidayscalendar.com. So I'll put those in the links. So it's really super simple. It does require a bit of, monitoring social media on these days and responding to appropriate posts. But as you can see, I tripled the blog visitors I had that day by just talking about the Instant Pot over and over again. Let's see. Okay, so this month in blogs, we've talked about how to write good blogs, how to plan good blogs, but even with all this planning and writing, your blog is no good if it's just sitting there, if nobody knows it exists. So next Thursday at 1 p.m. Pacific, I'm going to talk about how you can promote your blog on autopilot to make it as easy as possible to get your blog in front of as many eyes as you can. And I'm also going to start teasing over the next month and a half about a special launch that I'm going to be doing for International Women's Day, which is in early March. We've got some exciting programs around that. And I am excited. I see Pip has joined us. Hello. I believe you're in this club, my friend. I may be joining. I got this book from my husband for my special occasion today. So anyways, that is everything for today. Thank you to everyone who's watched me live. And I'll be back next Thursday at 1 p.m. to talk about putting your blog promotions on autopilot. I will enjoy the rest of your week, and we will see you all next week. Bye for now.